Alright, so it's that time of year. We are heading away for New Year's. We're going to our usual spot. And it's looking like it's just going to be a pretty cruisy trip. So nothing really planned. We're just going up for about a week and yeah, be kicking back around the fire. Hopefully the weather's not too bad. We can go swimming, but yeah, we're fully loaded and keen to get up there. So we'll see us up there. Usually we stay in the shed, but there is supposed to be a fair few people up here this New Year's, so we've got our own little camp. Enough room for activities. Just a 3x3 gazebo. I bought some walls for it, so it's awesome. A little bit of carpet on the floor. Cooking. The dog's in here. 2 swags. Glamping a little bit, I reckon. We just had to put the gummies on, and I'll go and show you why. Oh no. Lost a bit of wood in the fire, in the river. All right, dogs. It's not supposed to be that warm this New Year's, but today looks like it's probably going to be the best day. So I reckon I'm going to go swimming. Perfect swimming hole, got a rope swing. The dogs are keen to go in. I reckon we'll go for a swim.
What are you up to?
Super balls. Bit of fun on the trials bike. Keeps us entertained. A little bit of fun putting in little trials course in all the rocks here up the back. It's pretty fun, it's pretty loose. We've just cleared a bit of a course, a couple rocks and trees out of the way. We're to go over this rock, around, up to the tree stump, up over that wattle. He's loose as.
No, feet down. No penalty.
10 points. Down. Damn it.
I've got the editing hat on. Right on. Got it!
It's been a couple of years. Bit of a bingle. That was good. I'll have to have another go later. Not leaving till I get over it, so. Hey dogs. Oh, the dog binned it. Come on, come on.
Yeah, boy. Flabby. Yeah, boy. Make sure you got your safety equipment on. Make sure the dogs are out of the way. Just lean back and squeeze the throttle on. Some people refer to me as better than Pete Redivo on 2 wheels.
Backyard cricket. Oh yeah? Yeah. Got another player.
Righto. Where did I put the cricket? Oh. Oh. Yep. Oh. We're playing one in, one bounce. Catch it off the
Off the tree?
Catch it off the tree. Yeah.
Sitting at camp. A little bit of banter started up, so now we're going for an afternoon cruise. And we've got one of our mates here with a nice GU Series 4 that we're gonna play some bets on if we can get up this track again. So off for an afternoon mission and see where we end up. This is probably the only good part of this track in the dry. The rest of it's pretty easy, but we'll see how they go up here. Shouldn't be too hard in the dry, especially with lockers. And that's probably why we don't do much driving in the summer. Yeah. Pwah. There's not much above that other little bit, so just turn around, come back down. We're not going far, so just come back. Got another little track to do, and then probably head back to camp.
Not ideal.
Back up. And that's about as good as it gets. I think it's time to head back to camp and continue the festivities. Swim time.
I think so.
Dinner time swim. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Flippy's up the dock.
Don't worry about the pork. We got the Vegas model. Yummy. You're on.
Couple of burns. What do you reckon, Joe boy?
Fuck him, Alvin Burns.
Hey. Give us your opinion.
Not bad. Oh. Shit. Oh, that's upstream. That's mean. I don't know.
Who brings a blower? Stick 'em up, mate. Give us one of them oaks. Barista would be proud of you.
Fuck Jeeps.
Alright, so that concludes our little New Year's getaway. We spent a week up there and yeah, just kicking back. Nothing real serious. So originally I wasn't going to make a video, but there's probably enough random footage in there to slap one together. So I hope you all enjoy watching that. Won't be any driving or anything like that, just more kicking back around camp. But so if you did enjoy it, drop a like and a comment, whatever. And if you are a new viewer, don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully the driving will kick off pretty soon, I reckon, once I finish this car. So we'll get back into normal sort of stuff. But yeah, we'll see you on the next one.
Make sure you got your safety equipment on. Make sure the dogs are out of the way. Just lean back and squeeze the throttle on. Some people refer to me as better than Pete Redivo on two wheels.